On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Fiero GT.
The following movie is rated I.
Got the new Jet Performance chip for the 87 Fiero GT. I know. Years ago, they used to do pretty good, so I'm hoping that I'll still get some performance gains out of it. Just add some richness to it, you know, change the tables a little bit. Let's see. And the QR code. I got a feeling I know how this goes, so I'll just wing it. First thing you got to do is disconnect the negative terminal. Don't need that negativity in your life. Now you got to take the console out. Now I believe it's right behind that panel, and I thought it was possibly the plug-in style that you put in line, but this one goes inside, so someone may have done this already since it is an old car. It does take a little bit of prying, and there it is. It does look different, so maybe no one changed it. Carefully pry this out. See that little notch on this side? Goes that way. You gotta remember that. Definitely hasn't been changed. This is the one that was in it. That's a programmable EEPROM. You'd have to race it to reprogram it. This is a jet chip. Let's make sure we get that pin lined up properly. Oh, there it is. And get her back in. These cases are different. Like that has two little pillars on each end. Wonder if that's going to make a difference. Looks like the same amount of pins. Well, it did push right in there. Took the battery up and see if it works. Let's see. Well, it runs. Take it out for a test drive. After we put that mess back together. All done. So that literally took me maybe 25 minutes to complete that whole job.
A few moments later.
Well, let's see if it did any good. Stop at the post office, got a couple packages going out. And I heard the Christmas vacation setup is in New Milford. So maybe we'll take a ride there. We're going to use the ASS dyno. So we'll see how it feels on our rear. Actually off part throttle, you can feel a little bit. It's almost like the mixture's a little off, but it's not warmed up yet either. I don't know how much more bolt-on stuff you can get for these cars. They're getting so old. I was looking for a throttle body spacer. I didn't see anything. They used to be able to buy a Holley oversized throttle body. I don't think I'm going to go with the turbo. I think I'm going to keep it as stock as possible. It's in such good shape, I don't really want to butcher it up. If something happens to the motor, I'll put a 3.8 supercharged in. Other than that, we'll just do bolt-ons if we can find them. I definitely feel a noticeable horsepower increase. I put super in it before anyway, but you have to put 91 in it minimum. I could definitely feel a difference. Got 2 key tags going out. Thanks, guys. What a great Christmas gift it could be for the loved ones in your life. Go check them out on MotoCheez.com. I definitely think it made a little bit of a difference. Could be 20 something horsepower. I mean, that was a quick 60 miles an hour. It's only 160 horsepower stock, but if I could feel it, that's good enough for me. Worth $130 something? I think so. enough of a difference where you can feel it. Basically 20 minutes worth of work. Can't beat that. The heat does work good in here. Feel that hesitation when you first hit the gas now either. Probably just while it's warming up thing. May never do it again. I don't think this has a learning style computer. It could. OBD1. See what else I can get for this. You guys probably know better than me. I've been getting a lot of really good comments. Any suggestions are always welcome. Because I'm attacking this as I don't know, and it's the first time I've had this type of car, and I'm just playing with it. If they're still detouring people, it's going to be hard to get a good picture of this. Guess they're detouring everybody. Holy cow, look at this traffic. I don't think I know what I got myself into here, boys. Holy mackerel. Yeah, this was a silly idea, I tell you. Silly. That's right, Sizzle Chest. Remember those guys, jerky boys. So I'm not going to be able to stop. Let's see if I can get. There it is, boys. Christmas this upcoming weekend. Merry Christmas, boys. Yeah, it's the Griswolds.
I hope you didn't do this all on our account, Clark.
Take the long shortcut. Better than sitting in traffic for a half hour. Oomph. Bypassed all that traffic, boys. Yeah, it spins a tire on takeoff. Must have a little more power. So do I think it's worth it? Yeah, I'd say so. I don't have a dyno or a friend with a dyno to put it on, but you can definitely notice the power. I say it's worth it. Easy to put in. 22 horsepower? I don't know about that. Feels like it.
That a Pontiac Fiero?
Impressive. I know.
No, that's not impressive.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.